Now it's really going to feel like it recoils twice. You're going to feel the shot, and then you're going to feel that bolt come back and reset. Okay. So it'll feel weird if you've never shot a second bolt. Oh, I'm sorry, the front. It's on Hebrew. Not up on my Hebrew.
Well, we're here now, but we'll be down here now. Okay. I'm going to start putting check marks where we're at. I want to pay okay, I'll start calling whoever's on deck so they'll know. You like your barrel back?
Yeah.
So shooting the standard, not the 600?
That shoots the 45, right?
That's the 9mm Uzi, I believe.
Unique themselves?
Nice and quiet.
Should be.
Should be back.